Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the git tag command. So I've created a remote repository. So I named it as test, and I've created a text file. Inside the text file, there are some text. You can just copy it, and I have cloned it into my local. So you can see this is the commit that I have made. And right now, I'm going to show you the git tag command. So git tag, it can be classified into two types. First is the lightweight tag, and the next one is the annotated tag. So the difference is that the annotated tags, it consists of much more information compared to the lightweight tag. So first, I'm going to show you the lightweight tag. So over here, this test version 1.0 is the name of your tag. So it can be anything. You can name it as anything. So I'm going to copy this one and apply the tag on my latest commit. So if you do git log right now, you can see there's a tag, and the name of the tag is append after the colon, and is applied on this latest commit. Okay, and right now let's try to create another commit, test.txt file, and I'm going to create another commit called do, and I'm going to add it and make a commit. Okay, so if I do git log right now, this is the latest commit, and right now I'm going to use annotated tag instead of the lightweight tag. So I'm going to type this one, copy it. So the difference between this one and this one is that if you type this one, a window will pop up and it will ask for the message to you to type in. So if you have a very long message, you can actually use this one instead of -m. Okay, so since my message is just a short message, I'm going to use this one, okay, the first one. And right now, I'm going to clear it and you do git log. So you can see that the latest commit contains the test version 1.1, and this commit, it contains the version test version 1.0. So you can use git tag to show how many tags do you have, and you list out all the tags for you. And if you want to see what is inside the tag, and you can type this one, git show the tag name. I'm going to type this one. So you can see that test version 1.0, it shows you the commit and the changes. Right now, if you type version 1.1, you can see the difference. In git show test version 1.0, it only shows you the commit and the changes. And in the git show test version 1.1, which comes from the annotated tag, it shows you who created the tag, is me, and the date that you have created the tag, and the tag messages. Okay, so these are the extra information that you can get if you use the annotated tag. And besides that, it also shows the commit ID from which you have created the tag and the changes. Alright, and so right now I'm going to show you how to push the tag to the remote repository. And I clear it. Okay, you do git log. And if you come to the remote repository, you can see that there's no release. So the release means that the tag that you have pushed, because tag is actually representing the release version of your code. Okay, tag helps you to identify at this particular commit what is the version of your code. So it's a very useful thing when you want to release your software. And you can also see from here in the tags, it says that nothing to show. There are no tags. So right now, if I do a git push origin, I'm going to push this tag to the remote repository. Okay, and right now, if you refresh, you can see over here there's a one release. So test version 1.0 right now, it represents the release version of your software, and it gives you the commit ID. So which is this one, okay? The commit ID 2FE75AA. Okay, and you can come over here. You can go to the tag. If you want to go to the particular version of your software, you can click on the tag. So yeah, this is the tag. Okay, and right now, let's try to use this command to push all the tags to the remote repository. Right now, I have to create another commit, nano test.txt, and right now, let me put in some text inside, and then let's commit it. And I'm going to add another tag using a lightweight tag. So if you do git log, you can see there's a test version 1.2 over here. Right now we have test version 1.1 and test version 1.2, which we can push it using this command and push all the tags in one shot. Okay, Right now, it pushed all the changes, version 1.1, this commit and this commit to the remote repository. If you do a refresh, and you can see that in the tags, there are test version 1.1 and there are test version 1.2. Not only it pushed all the tags, it also pushed the changes, the latest commit of your local to the remote. In your remote repository, it actually just pushed the tag, alright? So you can see it actually pushed the tag and the commit which follows the tag. But in your master branch, it doesn't have your latest commit of your local. If you want your local commit goes to the remote repository, you have to use the git push origin, okay, instead of this git push tag. So this git push tag, you push the tag along with the commit, but the latest commit of your local will only appears under the tag, okay? So they are actually different. If you push using a tag and if you push it using the normal way. But right now, we can see that git push negative tags, it push all the tags at once, okay? And the next thing is that I'm going to show you how to tag a particular commit later. So this is to tag give a tag to the commit by typing the commit ID of the commit that you want to tag, okay? So right now I'm going to create another commit, git commit -n4. Okay, so right now I have create if I do git log negative pretty equal to 1 line, so it will give us the 5 commit here. And right now, if I want to give a tag to this commit, I can actually use the git tag -a and the tag name that I want, test version 1.3, and I'm going to give the commit I 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I'm going to give the first 7 numbers 7. So this is how you give a tag using the commit ID. And I didn't give the message, and then a Windows pop up. You have to type in something. So I will press I to insert, and then you can type this is test version 1.4. Okay, so after you have typed the commit message, right now you can type escape key :WQ to exit. And if you do git log, and you see that there's a test version 1.4 over here, which tag on this commit. So this is how you tag a particular commit using this command. And right now I'm going to show you how to delete local tag or delete local multiple tag. So let's say if I want to delete this particular tag, what I can do is that I can type git tag -d test underscore version 1.0. So this is the tag name, and I press enter. It says that the tag is deleted. If you do git log right now, you can see right now the tag is being deleted already, okay? And if you want to delete multiple tag, let's say if I want to delete version 1.1, version 1.2, these two tags, what I can do is that I can type git tag -d, the name of the tag, and then space another tag name again, okay? And tag's being deleted. If you type git log, so you can see the tag's being deleted already. And right now, tag is being deleted in the local, right? But if you go to the remote repository, the tag is still there. So if I want to delete all the tags in the remote repository, what I can do is that I can use let's say I try to delete one tag first. I can use this one. So the test version 1.0 is still there. I want to delete test version 1.0 first. Just type this command. It will delete the remote repository test version 1.0 tag. Alright, so if you refresh on the remote side, you can see the test version 1.0 is no longer there. And right now, let's say we still have test version 1.1 and test version 1.2. I want to delete these both. What I can do is that I can use this command 1.1 and test underscore version 1.2. This is to delete multiple tags together. Alright, so you see it says that both tags are being deleted, and you can see that you have to go to the test page, and you can see text is no longer there and there are no releases anymore. Alright, so this is how you delete the tag. So the next thing that I want to show you is to check out a particular tag. So let's say you want to go back to the older version of the software and you want to fix some bugs, or you want to try out some solution on the particular software version. And what you can do is that, let's say if I want to go back to this particular commit, and right now I will add a tag first on that particular commit. I will do git tag test underscore version 1.0 towards this particular commit. And if you do a git pretty, and you can see the tag version 1.0 is over here. Let's say right now, if I want to check out this particular tag, I can type git checkout test version 1.0. Right now, it moves the head towards this particular tag. Okay, if you do it this way, it says that you are in detached head state. It means that if you make some commit, okay, your commit won't be in your master branch, it won't be in the history of your master branch, and it's not a good idea if you fix some bugs and make commit in this way. So let's say if I make some changes in the test.txt and I make 2222, and if I make a commit right now, and you are actually committing when you are in a detached head state, if you do git k negative negative all, you can see this line until this line is your master branch, and this commit 22222 is not in your master branch and is in nowhere. You can't reach this commit in the master branch. Okay, you can only reach this commit by check out the particular commit ID. So this is not a good way of doing it. So let's say you want to check out a particular tag, fix something. What you can do is that you can check out this particular tag and then create a new branch from this tag. Okay, it will give you a new branch with this particular tag so that you can easily switch to that particular branch and then fix some bugs using that branch. Alright, so right now I've made a commit and this particular commit ID, and right now I'm going to use git checkout -b feature branch. So I'm in this feature branch right now. If you do git k negative negative all, so I created a new branch which is feature branch, and it comes with this commit ID. Alright, or you can actually, let's check out let's go back to the master branch. If you do git, so right now, your head is pointing towards the latest commit ID of the master branch. Let's say right now you want to check out this particular tag and create a new branch straight away with this tag. And what you can do, you can actually type this command. Okay, so I'm going to call another branch, feature1 branch, and with this test version 1.0 tag. So this will create a new branch of this one with this particular tag. Alright, so if you do git branch, you can see right now you have 3 branch, and you do git k negative all. So right now you can see you have 3 branches, and when you are in this feature1 branch, you can make some changes. Right now I want to try out some other fix, and I'm going to put second. Okay, and I'm going to edit, make the commit. So you can see right now you have a feature1 branch which contains this commit, and feature branch which contains this commit, another fix. Alright, so this is how you branch out using the tag name, and then you can, after you check out the tag and then create a new branch, you can add your fixes, and then eventually if you want to merge it into the master branch, you can do it. Okay, after you have added all the fixes. Alright.